Think about Jack, a young executive. Recently, Jack was in a rut, feeling as though he was getting nowhere with his job because of others who were more successful in the same company than him. He felt unappreciated and unseen despite spending long hours in the office. Eventually, he decided to take action. By hard work and self improvement, Jack started to accept new tasks and responsibilities, developed useful connections with others, as well as acquired necessary knowledge and skills. In time, Jack became an industry leader who won the respect both of his peers and superiors alike. This narrative serves as an example of the effectiveness of both strategic and personal development. You have come to the correct spot if you are keen to increase your own worth, hone your abilities, and leave an enduring impression. We will talk about doable tactics today to help you become as valuable as Jack. Come on, let's get started. So, how can you become a highly valuable person? Tip number 1. Develop a growth attitude. Establishing a growth mentality comes first. This entails rising to the occasion, enduring setbacks, and seeing failures as teaching moments. Individuals that have a growth mentality are always looking for ways to do better and reach new heights. To cultivate this perspective, adopt a growth mindset. Read books and articles. Focus on materials that challenge and inspire you. Seek feedback. Don't be afraid of constructive criticism. Use it to grow. Set learning goals. Aim to learn new skills or enhance existing ones regularly. Let's move on to the topic of emotional intelligence. This is the capacity to identify, control, and recognize your own emotions as well as those of others. To navigate social difficulties and forge strong relationships, one must possess a high level of emotional intelligence. Practice self-awareness. Reflect on your emotions and their impact on your behavior. Develop empathy. Actively listen and understand others' perspective. Improve communication skills. Be clear, concise, and considerate in your interactions. Build strong relationships. Building and maintaining strong relationships is key to becoming a valuable person. This includes both personal and professional connections. Here's how you can strengthen your relationships. Be genuine. Show authentic interest in others. Offer help and support. Be there for people in times of need. Network strategically. Connect with individuals who share your interests and values. Master a valuable skill. Possessing a special and useful ability can help you stand out. Gaining proficiency in a skill enhances your profile considerably. Whether it's a technical ability, artistic aptitude, or specialized knowledge, identify your passion. What excites you and aligns you with your goals? Invest in training. Take courses, attend workshops, and practice regularly. Showcase your skills. Use projects and portfolios to demonstrate your extraordinary abilities. Exercise adaptability and resilience. It is vital to possess resilience and adaptability in the dynamic environment of today. The capacity to overcome hardship and adapt to novel circumstances renders one immensely advantageous. Develop problem-solving skills. Approach challenges with a solution-focused mind. Maintain a positive attitude. Keep an optimistic outlook even in tough times. Show your integrity and dependability. Dependability and integrity are the cornerstone traits of a highly valuable individual. People have faith in those individuals who are trustworthy and sincere. Be honest. Always tell the truth, even when it's difficult. Follow through on commitments. Ensure you deliver on promises and deadlines. Respect confidentiality. Keep sensitive information private. Focus on personal well-being. Lastly, personal well-being is essential. To be valuable to others, you must first take care of yourself. Prioritize health. Eat well, exercise regularly, and get enough sleep. Practice mindfulness. Engage in activities that reduce stress and promote mental clarity. Maintain work-life balance. Ensure you have time for hobbies, family, and relaxation. In summary, Developing solid relationships, upholding integrity, and constant self improvement are all necessary to become a highly valuable person. Gaining useful skills, emotional intelligence, and a growth mindset will put you on the right track to having a significant influence. Recall that this is a journey. Therefore, continue to be dedicated to your professional and personal development. I appreciate you seeing. Please like, subscribe, and share this video with others if you think they could benefit from it. Until the next time, never stop trying to be your greatest self.